finally got to cleaning. Couldn't spray him today, gonna spray him tomorrow. Because I don't want the young ones to get too cold. Come away from the cleaning, come away from the spraying. So definitely don't want anything to go wrong. And we got a little, finally put that massive box in there from IKEA. Looks good, I think. Put 4 clay pots in there. We'll see who goes in there. Got the young ones chilling. I'm just gonna put some of the bowls here. So the saddle pair has got eggs, nice saddle pair. So I'll see what they make. Cannot wait because I need to make some saddles. I'm not going to fly them, just make as much as I can and put more for breeding. Probably sell some nice saddles. I'm thinking the future. Quite a few people want some, so do that. Try to do that. Anyway, we'll put these young ones for breeding as well. So it looks like these guys got that nest ball right there. That sounds good. These guys got that one. I think that pair, which has got those 2 babies in the corner, probably got that second ball ready made again. Nice chicken hen. It's got the 2 with that black pie. There. We'll leave that one for breeding as well. And that baby. Those parents. Will be for breeding as well. Looks like she'll be a hen. Need some more saddle males, that's for sure. So that's what we're hoping for. I definitely want this massive blue hen. Massive. Maybe some young ones, got nothing yet. These guys threw their eggs away, so hopefully they make another one. Looks like they're gonna breed up there, which is cool. And these 2 just waiting for young ones. Pretty much. Yeah. So that's the pair there. Hopefully they'll go in here. And that saddle hen is with this boy. Cannot wait for that. He's a great boy. The girl's pretty good. definitely got one up there. That's good. Hopefully this time we'll get something. Nice pickler. Put him down from the rafters, so he has to learn now to eat and drink on his own. I think he had enough lazy town. So, no, I like the look of it. I like the look of it. That's nice. This dude right here is the parent of that boy. And now those two in that nest ball. He makes nice birds. I've never flown his birds. I've flown his grandkids. Because his birds, I've put them straight for breeding. They fly good. They fly really good. I think I had him head to a saddle, and they made similar sized birds like him, but looking like that, with a shorter beak, like him. And the way they would fly would be different, man. It was like the Veso line fly different. That bird creates flies that they got a slower flight, but faster wingspan flight, like a butterfly. Beautiful to see. Definitely the way they fly. It's a slower flight, but the wings move more. It's pretty cool. So this time I've got him with that silver down there. Now, her mother looked pretty much like that boy, but with a white face. So we'll see what comes upon those. And he did create a saddle hen daughter, which made that silver hen, silver saddle hen. So now I've got her to the Veso line pied blue over here. So that's their baby right there. I'm not going to fly it. Let them make some more, and then it will probably fly in the future. This hen's going to make eggs. I'm going to put a nest bowl in there for these guys again. And make some more big monsters as these guys were. That's pretty good. So that blue is the same line, similar line as that massive red. And then that pied is from similar line of that massive red as well. So hence you get some massive buggers, which is pretty good. So they're ready to breed again. And this pair will definitely create those flights, like a butterfly, slower flying style, but faster wingspan movements. They're pretty nice to see flying. The problem is hawks. So that silver hen is the sister to that pied. This blue has got similar lines to that black hen right there, and a bit of him. But yes, it's blue. So I'll see what they make. It's exciting year for pigeons. Hopefully we get a couple from these guys. That's a massive hen, that one. It's a massive hen. And I'll eventually want to put her to something else. I'll eventually want to put her maybe to her father. Yep. Big red fella. I don't know. We'll see. That tipper's gonna learn to eat and drink.